TLT stock analysis Tuesday. This is TLT ETF analysis for Tuesday and onwards. So am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. Well, TLT from like a first glance on the 1-hour chart. So iShares 20+ year treasury bond ETF. That's the name. Doesn't look good that much, you know, like if I look at it from like a weekly chart, it's in a bearish weekly range. So it only really will start being bullish for me the moment we start breaking about like 94 bucks or so, or maybe like these highs. But up until this point, it's a bearish range. And honestly speaking, like with this, if I come like on the lower chart, it's also like a great place like to maybe like short here, for example. So like I'm talking if the price like hovers around here and just, I'm talking like a day trade, right? If it hovers around here and gives me like a little quick little double break, then and only then I'll take things even lower, you know. But again, this is only for now and not forever, but sticking to my rules and edge that I've refined over 35,000 videos. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.